Welcome to online video class on behalf of Noakhali High School, Sodor Noakhali. I am Brajeshwar Goswami, Senior Teacher, English, Noakhali High School, Sodor Noakhali. My dear learners, how are you? I am so. Okay. Your JHC examination is near at hand. Today I am going to start a new class, English Mathing. You should follow the class very carefully. It is very important for JHC exam. Okay, my dear student, I believe that you stay home, study very well, safe and sound in your home. Okay, my dear learners, follow the class very carefully. Okay, matching sentences for class 8. There are two columns in a matching sentences. Okay, there are two columns, number 1, number 2. I read out number 1. You should follow the class very well. Okay, matching column A, column B, column A, column B. Food is one of the basic. Food is one of the basic. Okay, it is essential. It is essential. Okay, very need. Very need. We cannot live. We cannot live. So we must always. Good food means the right. Okay, my dear students. Column B, without it. Number 2, needs of human beings. Number 3, for our survival, existence, survival. Kind of food for good health. There are many kinds of food. Okay, there are many kinds of food for good health. Have good food. Okay, my dear students, now I read out with answer. Food is one of the basic needs of human beings. Food is one of the basic needs of human being. A plus 2. Number 1 answer A plus 2. Food is one of the basic needs of human beings. B. It is essential. It is essential for our survival. It is essential for our survival. B plus 3. Okay. Number C. We cannot live. We cannot live without it. Number 1, we cannot live without it. We cannot live without it. We cannot live without it. Okay? Number B. So we must always have good food. Have good food. Number 5. Okay? Number 5. Okay? Good food means the right. Good food means the right kind of food for good health. Okay? My dear student, you write down in your khata the answer number 1. A plus 2, B plus 3, C plus 1, D plus 4, 5, E plus 4. Now I read out again. Number 1, food is one of the basic needs of human beings. Okay? It is essential for our survival. We cannot live without it. So we must always have good food. Good food means the right kinds of food for good health. You know that health is oil. Okay? Health is oil. You need always vitamins. Okay? The 6 kinds of vitamins we should eat daily, because your health will increase. Okay, I think that all people should eat good foods. Okay? Number 2, addiction. Addiction means drug addiction is not only a national problem. What is drug? Many kinds of drugs in the world. Bangladesh is one of them. A few numbers of people drug addicted. What is drug? Many kinds of drug: heroin, morphine, opium, etc. Okay? Drug addiction is not only a national problem, but frustration is the drugs bear a terrible effect. Result is very bad result will in future. Drugs bear a terrible effect on, they kill. Okay, murder. Kill means murder. Second column, but also a global problem all of the world, not only Bangladesh but also all of the world. This problem is very serious problem. Okay, main cause of it is result is very bad result. Strong desire for harmful things. Strong desire for harmful things. Addicts slowly but surely. Okay, those people who addicted drugs, they are decreased. They are decreased day by day. At one times, they will die in premature death. Premature death. Okay, addicts slowly but surely. Human body and mind, human body and mind. My dear students, number 2, I reply, I shall answer you. Addiction means, number 2, A. Addiction means strong desire for human harmful things. Strong desire, willpower. If I shall go to bad situation, I will not increase in future. Okay, it is very important time for you. Those students study very well, he will shine in light in future. Okay, number 1, addiction means strong desire for harmful things. Harmful things. Okay, number 2, B. Number B, drug addiction is not only a national problem. Drug addiction is not only a national problem, but also a global problem. It is not Bangladesh, but all over the world this problem increase day by day. Young generation grasp it. Okay, it is very bad habit. So their guardian follow the rules, which work is bad and which work is good. Okay. Number C. Frustration is the main cause of it. Frustration. What shall I do? What shall I do? What shall not I do? Okay. It is frustration. It is called frustration. Frustration is the main cause of it. Cause as a result, cause effect, problems. Okay, that is why many students do not abide by the rules of World Health, rules of hygiene, rules of schools. Okay, so you should abide by the rules of World Health. You abide by your parents, teachers, and senior. Okay, my dear student, any problem, question me, I shall reply you. After showing the video, I shall invite you, all students and viewers, guardians, honorable guardians, and another people, you will give like, comment and share in this video. Okay, if you comment, I shall reply you. I shall reply you. Number C, frustration is the main cause of it. Frustration is the main cause of it. Number D, drugs bear a terrible effect on. Drugs bear a terrible effect on. Terrible. It is very dangerous. It is very dangerous for you, for human body. Okay. Drugs bear a terrible effect on human body and mind. Human body and mind. This is the last. Number E. They kill the addicts slowly but surely. It is decreasing day by day in your life. Okay, my dear learners, this two messing write down in your khata. It is very important for JSC exam or annual exam. My dear students, your examination will held in the institutions. The present government will declare recently, recently declare your examination will held in the institutions. You are not auto promotion. Number E, they kill the human body and they kill the addicts slowly and surely. It is sure. Addicts people will die recently, premature death. My dear student, read out messing 1 and read out messing 2. You follow the whiteboard and listen to me what I say. Food is one of the basic needs of human beings. Food is one of the basic needs of human beings. It is essential for our survival. It is essential for our survival. We cannot live without it. So we must always have good food. So we must always have good food. Good food means the right kinds of food for good health. Okay. In the first column, if you any problem, you will question me, I shall reply you. Okay, my dear students, only for study your profession, not other thing. Okay. Number 2, addiction means strong desire for harmful things. Always harmful things. Okay. Drug addiction is not only a national problem, but also a global problem. Frustration is the strong desire for harm. Frustration is the main cause of it. Drugs bear a terrible effect on human body and mind. Okay. They kill the addicts slowly but surely. My dear students, write down in your khata the answer number 1, number 2. Okay. Number 1, number 2 is A plus 2, B plus 3, C plus 1, D plus 5, D plus 4. Number 2, A plus 3, B plus 1, C plus 2, D plus 5, and D plus 4. When you write down in your khata the rules of this, okay, A plus 2, the line added next line in your khata, okay. My dear students, now I am sure that there is actually no problem of you. If you any problem, you will ask question. Next, I reply you. Okay. I shall tell you again and again. You, after showing the video, you will give like, comment and share one friends to another friends. Okay. My dear student, now write down in your khata homework. Homework on unemployment. Unemployment is a curse. Curse. These missing sentences you will write down in your khata, and next class I shall show your homework. Unemployment. Unemployment is a curse. Curse. Okay. It is a very important message for class 8 students. My dear students, there are many problems in the whole world. You know that coronavirus is the very dangerous virus for human being. The whole world is decreasing day by day. Then Bangladesh is one of them. Okay? The World Health Organization always bulleting, wash your hands, legs and face, always clean, will clean, you stay home. Okay, put on masks, abide by the rules of health, abide by the rules of schools. Okay, my dear students, the people who shows the video, I thank for them. Okay, I think they are very good person. After showing the video, they will give like, comment and share. Okay. Many thanks for the students. Stay home. Practice again and again. Thank you very much for class 8 students, viewers and guardians. Goodbye.